Hi everyone and welcome to Twi Classroom. Midinde Kwejo. My name is Kwejo and I'm here to help you to learn Twi the practical and fun way. In the last lesson, I took you through the diagrams in the Twi language. So if you have not gone through that lesson, I invite you to check that one out and you are good to go. So today I'm taking you through the diphthongs in the Twi language. And these diphthongs are also important. And this is the last part of the pronunciation lessons. So after this, if you have done the first lesson, second lesson, third lesson, and with this, you can pronounce any Twi word that you come across. So the diphthongs are simply two vowel sounds that are combined. So they combine, the two vowel sounds combine, and they give us what? One sound. So let's begin with the first diphthong. And that is we have E, E. So we pronounce it together. E, E, E. Then we have A, A together. Air, air, air. Then we have U, A. And we pronounce it together. Ua, ua. Good. Then we have I, A. So pronounce it together. Ia, ia. Then we have U, O. So together. Uo, uo. Then we have Oa, oa. Then we have Ue, ue. Ear, ear. Then we have I, I. Then O, O. So O, O. Then we have A, A. Good. So now I'm going to take each diphthong and then as I have used it in a word so that you know how they sound when they are combined with other sounds. So let's go. So we have E, A, E. So we have efie, efie. Air, air. And the words here, cheer, cheer. And cheer means to greet, cheer. Now we have the next diphthong, and that is ua, ua. So the word here is sua, sua, sua. So here the ua, using it for sua, become a bit nasal. So we say so sua, sua. So now we move to the next diphthong, and that is oa, oa. So the word here is boa, 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 and that is to help, boa, boa. Then we go to the next diphthongs, which is uo, uo, and the word here is ekuo, ekuo, ekuo. Good. Then we have ue, ue. So the word here is bue, bue. Then we have ear, ear. So we have mpae, mpae. mpae, mpae. That is prayer, mpae. Then we have I, I, I. So the key word here is kai, kai. Kai means to remember or to remind. So you can simply say kai me, remind me, or remember me, kai. Then we have or, or, or. So we have obofo, obofo, and obofo. That is an angel, obofo, obofo. Then we have ntafo, ntafo. So ntafo, that is twins, ntafo, ntafo. Then we have the last diphthong, and that is a, a. So we have way, way, or ye, which means this, this. Now, I know you have been practicing along, and if you did, I know as a beginner you may find it a bit challenging, but I will entreat you to revisit the video and then pay attention and practice along. Once you get this, you are good to go. You are able to pronounce any Twi word that you come across, even when you do not understand. Once again, I encourage you to subscribe to Twi Classroom for more videos on Twi lessons. Like it and share with family and friends. See you again.